In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on your iPhone. So if you want to change your iPhone language to a different one, here's what you need to do. First, you need to open up your settings. From there, you want to go to General and then scroll until you see Language and Region. From here, you can see your preferred languages. So the first language that's at the top, that will be your phone language. If I were to put Croatian, then it will say, are you sure you want to switch? Then you click yes, and then it will be added. But if you want to add it, just click on add language and type in whatever your language is, and then you add it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.